Yes, absolutely. Afternoon to you and all the viewers. See, the overall trend for right now is market is managing to sustain at the higher levels. It is managing to bounce back even today when we saw a little dip coming in. There was buying that emerging. Having said that, we are moving in a very broad range. If you look at Nifty, it's not able to cross that 15,900 or not able to break that 15,500. So that's a broad range within which the market is moving. But stock specific action can continue. So from the index perspective, I think any dip from here towards the level of 15,720 can be used as a buying opportunity, keeping 15,650 as a stop loss and expecting a target of 15,850 on the upside. The first topic on the buy side is going to be ITC. ITC has managed to show a very strong run on the upside, and we can clearly see it is bucking the trend. The overall move is positive, and we can expect it to touch the levels of around 310. And FMCG is outperforming in this kind of a market. That is what we can expect. And the stop loss for ITC is going to be 280. And the next stock on the buy side is from the mid cap space is Pricol Limited. We can clearly see after forming a low around 115, it has shown a good run up and looks like the steam is still on, and we can expect it to move towards the level of 147. So one can create long positions in Pricol Limited, keeping a stop loss of 132 for the target of 147.
All right. Any other stocks that you'd want to look at? I mean, names like ITC have been hitting new highs. Names like ONGC continue to sulk. What do you do with names like this?
As I said, the ITC is on my buy radar, and I think over short term, 310 is expected. But overall, the medium term perspective, I think ITC can even touch 340 levels because after a long time, we are seeing relative outperformance in FMCG sector, and ITC has been leading that sector. So I would be going along with the defensive names like ITC for sure. And I would avoid something like ONGC. There is no respite. We saw it crashing by nearly 12 to 15% the previous day. Again today, the stock is down, and then there is no bounce back happening, so there is no pullback also. So I'll use any move on the upside in ONGC like towards 130 as a shorting opportunity again for a move towards 115. I'm not going to bet on an underperformer. I'll rather bet on the outperformer like an ITC.
Okay, sorry, I didn't hear.